Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to find leaks in an AC system using an AC leak detector kit. In an AC leak detector kit, you're going to need refrigerant with added dye. You're also going to need safety glasses tinted in yellow. You're also going to need a UV flashlight. And you also need an AC pressure gauge. Before you begin installing the refrigerant can to the AC pressure gauge, make sure to turn the handle on the valve going counterclockwise. Visually inspect the coupler to make sure that the center part, which is the pintle, is backed in all the way. Now you can install the refrigerant to the AC pressure gauge. Make sure to go clockwise. This side is going to be the high side of the AC system. As you can see, the line is much smaller, and this side is going to be the low side of the AC system. As you can see, the line is much bigger. It is important to attach the AC pressure gauge to the low side in the AC system. Next, start your vehicle and turn on the AC. Make sure to turn the fan all the way to max, and make sure to set climate control all the way to cold. Next, attach the AC pressure gauge coupler to the AC fill port on the low side. Keep adding refrigerant in the AC system until the can is empty. Also, make sure to control the valve opening and closing because you do not want pressure to exceed too high. In the AC system, leaks can occur anywhere. Leaks can occur right at the Schrader valve at the AC fill port. Leaks can occur right at the AC line at that crimp area. Leaks can also occur right at the connection area caused by a bad O-ring. Leaks can occur anywhere. Leaks can occur right on the line going straight to the firewall. Leaks can occur right at the evaporator. Leaks can occur right at the AC compressor connector. Leaks can also occur right at the condenser. Due to the condenser location, it is prone to damage caused by road objects. Behind the dashboard is where you're going to find the evaporator and the expansion valve. To get to that area, you have to remove the whole entire dashboard. You have to remove the radio, climate control, and the glove box. Now let's look for refrigerant leak. Wear your yellow tinted safety glasses. Use your UV flashlight. Make sure to check for leaks anywhere in the AC system. Check at the connection. Check at the fill port area. Check the AC line going straight to the firewall. If you see a leak, the dye is going to glow extremely bright. Most likely the color is either going to be green or yellow color. Also, there are also dyes out there that may also be red color as well. Make sure to check the condenser area because the chance of a condenser becoming damage caused by road objects is extremely high. So I spotted the leak, and the leak is coming from the condenser area. You see that wet spot over there? That is the refrigerant and PAG oil leaking out of that area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this condenser. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys the area that was leaking. I'm going to shine the UV flashlight right at it, and you're going to see the dye glowing green. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thanks for watching. Subscribe to Top 5 Repairs.